Unlock your design's superpower and wield the ultimate tool for Webflow consistency, your style guide. Webflow style guides aren't just pretty lists. They're the backbone of efficient and cohesive design, ensuring every pixel across your project screams your brand. Without one, you risk a design free-for-all, but with a style guide, you're building a powerful design system. Let's dive into setting yours up first. Typography. Define your hero titles, body text, and navigation fonts. You can find these settings right within your Webflow project's element settings, usually under global swatches or typography. Next, color palettes. Create your brand colors as global swatches. Name them logically, like primary brand blue or secondary accent yellow. This makes referencing them a breeze. Spacing is crucial for visual harmony. Establish consistent padding and margin values. You can achieve this by creating reusable classes for common spacing units, ensuring a predictable visual rhythm. Now, implementation. Simply select an element, and in the Style panel, choose your predefined typography, colors, and spacing. No more hunting for hex codes or remembering font families. This consistent approach means anyone on your team can jump in and maintain the design integrity. It's about speed, sanity, and ultimately, a stronger brand presence. When you need to update a brand color or font, a single change in your style guide propagates everywhere. Think of it as your project's central command. So, invest the time in your Webflow style guide. It's the secret to crafting beautiful, scalable, and unmistakably, you Webflow projects. Start building yours today.